Narayan Health and its services. I think most of you all would already know about Narayan Health. This was something which was a hospital first started by Dr. Devi Shetty, initially in Calcutta, then in Bangalore, and now across India there are close to about 30 odd hospitals across the country with all kinds of treatments available. Initially it was only cardiac care, but now it's a big name in oncology, in diabetology, various surgical services, a lot of the medical services. So it's basically a tertiary care center which is recognized for all kinds of healthcare.
Chain with 35 hospitals. Previously we were only in cardiac care, but now we are coming in oncology, transplants and other branches as well. So the primary aim is to start OPD services. First we will be starting services for oncology services. As you know, the incidence of cancer is increasing. It is increasing all over India. It is increasing, as similarly it is increasing in the state of Goa as well. So the intent first is to start OPD services where we will screen patients, we will diagnose patients. ज्या काही treatments इथे possible आहेत, small things like biopsy, like other things will be done here only. But if the patient requires high-end facilities, म्हणजे ज्यांच्यामध्ये काही जणांमध्ये robotic surgery लागू शकते, काही जणांमध्ये immunotherapy लागू शकते, काही जणांमध्ये bone marrow transplant लागू शकते, which is a very very intensive treatment. म्हणजे ज्याच्यामध्ये the treatments are not simple. That will be done at our main center in Bangalore, which is a state of art. We have tied up with Daffodils Hospital at present, which is in Vasco, which we will be starting our OPD services, and slowly we will expand from oncology to cardiac care and to transplants as well. And we will see how it is going. We hope that with this the people of Goa will be able to get the expertise of our consultants.